to another video. Hammerson is here, and we have this slime. It's supposed to be invisible slime. Let's open it up. I already opened this, by the way. Look at this. Look at how hard this is. Look at this. This isn't what it shows. Like, I've seen on YouTube people do satisfying things. Like, they put a lot of this in a cup, and they just go like, and they go like that, and they mix a color. It's not happening. And I thought it came with little packets that, like, you put colors in and you, like, do that. But I guess I got the wrong slime. But still, this is pretty cool. Guys, go get this at home. It's crazy, I can't read the very well. It's crazy something. And, it came in here. Is that thinking putty? Oh, it's putty! It says putty. Wait. Oh, I just thought of something. What if I take one of my microfigs, I like put it on top of here, and then like I put a bunch of different microfigs, and then I like stand it up somewhere, then I sleep, then I wake up and it's all dry, and it's a giant, it's a giant thing with all the micro things. Let's get it. Let's do it. Hold on. I'll do it after. This is going to be so fun. I can't wait to do that. All right. Look at that. Look at all that. All right, let's put it back in. Okay. Now it's time for it's time to open these guys. Mystery plushies. I need Milky. Like, look, you see that? I can get Milky. So it's gonna take a second for me to open it. I'll be right back. I got it. I did take a bite out of it. Like, look, I took a bite out of it. And then I had to, like, stick a charger in there to get all this plastic off. I'm going to have to do that again with this one. I'll put that plastic over there for now. All right, let's see who we got. Hopefully it's Milky, and the other one, like, who knows what the other one's going to be. Oh, yeah. I love this feeling when you get Lanky Box merch and you can't wait to see who it is. Let's feel it. This might be Milky, guys. Let's do this. Wait on. All right, 3, 2, 1. Actually, like and subscribe right now. And if you do, then it will give you better chances of thinking both of these might be Milky. Next one. Oh, man. Well, this is actually really cool. Look at that mini boxy. This is actually really awesome. This is like a teenager boxy. Alright. Well, I thought it was Milky. Alright, go off camera for this guy. Guys, I opened it with mini thick shark, and I did still take a bite out of it. I can't wait to see who this is. This is going to be awesome, guys. Can't wait. Now I have 2 of these. Look, 2 of them. Alright. Well, this might be another boxy. Alright, this is probably another boxy. So like and subscribe so it has better chances of being Milky. Finally. No. Yes, guys! Thank you if you liked and subscribed. It is Milky. Oh my god. I can't find Rainbow Milky, but this is awesome. I finally got Milky. Thank you guys if you liked and subscribed, and the ones who didn't, you're still pretty cool. But, alright, I have an announcement. It's not really big, but Yeah, see this, guys? This might be like a fake thing. Like, this is sand. You dig it up with the sticky shovel, and then you find microfigs. It's really awesome. Sadly, I won't be able to do it today, but I might be able to do it today, but I might be able to do it tomorrow. I don't like waiting for things that are so exciting. Like, I can't wait to see the microfigs we got. And also, okay, let's remember the idea. Remember these? Remember this? I can make like a little puddle with all my microfigs. And I just like, when I want to take microfigs, I just like, when they're glued on it, I just take it and I just, woo, that would be awesome. Wait. Hold on, I'll be back. I need to get back to shape. There we go, different one, but it's still a lanky bot. All right. Let's do another lanky bot. Put him on the side right there. Perfect. And then thick shark. Put him over there. Then, sadly, my dog was able to get to Ruby Rocky because, like, one time I was really angry for some reason, and I slammed my fist on this table, and everything knocked down, and I think I saw Royal Rocky, but I'll pick him up later, and I forgot, and then Ruben got him. My dog's name is Ruben. But he's still a good one, so let's put him over there. Rocky's actually one of my favorites. Okay, gosh. How's it gonna get on? Hold on. I think I ruined it. Hold on. Oh no! I'll be right back. I stepped on this. I stepped on him. That hurt a lot, but well, I'm okay now. That's good. Okay, let's put him right over here. Perfect, guys. This is coming along. I put him on backwards. Hold on. This is coming along perfect. Put Royal Rocky, get him there. Put Royal Rocky right there. Ooh. Thick shark, tiger thick shark, baby thick shark. I think I got him, like, at the Rocky thing. It's gonna take a while to put these together, so I'll stop. It is, guys. It's a little blurry, but I worked pretty hard on it. It took about a minute. Now I'm gonna go put it over here. Gotta be careful with this thing. Like, wait, hold on. It's actually a bad idea. What if, like, I put it on it, like, then I come back, then these are, like, stuck to the table? It's bad, but worth a risk. Still, if it works, it'll be really cool. Okay, that's perfect. Now, what to use this for? Maybe, like, if it doesn't work, I can just put it back in here. Maybe play with it another time. So, yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. I got Milky and Mini Boxy. And I got, this invisible slime. It's not that invisible. And also, I think I didn't say this, but, I think I did. This is going to be tomorrow's video. Because, like, maybe I'll just wake up in the morning, maybe eat some breakfast, maybe drink some water, then I'll do this video. So, yeah. So, I will see you tomorrow in the next video I make with this. I actually really can't wait for this. I want to do it now. So tempting. Yet again, I might do it today. So, yeah. Watch more Lanky Box, open Lanky Box merch, get Lanky Box merch, fill your entire desk thing with Lanky Box merch like I did. It's cool. And get Lanky Box plushies. Wait, hold on, look. Where's Baby Boxy? Wait, in size. This is right here. I don't know. Anyways, I said my thing already, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video when we do this with the microfigs. Can't wait for that. See ya. Guys, I am able to do the rocky sand thing with the sticky digging thing, and I'm gonna do it today. I remember last video I did myself. I opened like invisible dried up slime, but I think the reason it was like hard and thick, not like it was. Oh, hi Ruben. Oh no, that's Dino. Like I thought, like I know it was like fresh. I thought it was fresh, but no. I was at my friend's house, so I'm pretty sure that it came before it came like way before I got home from my friend's house, because I always go there and come back at like 9. And like I have Foxy right here, and we're gonna be able to do this. So let's get into it. I just need to do the unwrapping. Got it open. Let's get into it. All right, let's do this. I see something in there. I did a little digging, but I see something. Guys, I am back. I did wait to do it next morning because of the last parts of the video. So I did already do it a little bit, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Luckily, I didn't find any microfigs, so let's get into it. Whoa. Oh, no, that's just sand. I feel like this is like kinetic sand. Guys, remember in last video, I put the putty on all the microfigs so they can dry? What if it's dried up right now? All right, I'll do that after this. I can't wait to check that. I'll do that on video. I can't wait for that to happen. Ooh! Baby Rocky. Nice. Okay. I feel like they're going to be in like all these big chunks. It's so fun to just go like this. Don't ask me why. I think like cooking with knives is fun. I don't know why. It's just really fun. Are there seriously only like one microfig in here? There's gotta be more. There's gotta be. Oh, yes, I called it. A baby candy. Why so many babies? Okay. This is really fun, guys. You should get this yourself. Maybe you make a video about it. It's awesome. What the heck? Where am I gonna find all these other microfigs? Maybe in here? Nope, not in here. I think there was only 2 microfigs. That shouldn't be. There should always be more Lanky Back Smurch. Hey guys, I might do a video today about me, about Foxy eating a grilled cheese, because like I said cooking with knives is interesting, but I also really like to cook. I really like to learn how to cook. I only learned how to make a grilled cheese, and it's pretty easy. Secret ingredient, butter. Butter always helps it. All right, enough about the cooking talk. Where is these microfigs? What the heck? Where? What? 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 I don't get this. Where are these microfigs? Did I seriously only get 2 microfigs? No way I only got 2 microfigs. It's impossible. I'm gonna go looking for more. I'm just gonna stop the camera real quick. I've actually made a mistake. There is only 2 microfigs. If you read over here, it says get a sticky digging tool. Get 1 dig in discover. Oh no. Get 1 sticky tool treasure finder, 2 microfigs, mystery sand, 1 sticky dig tool. So, yeah. I don't know what I can use this for. Wait, hold on, guys. I might do a video today about me putting all this sand back and getting it in shape back in the Rocky and putting other microfigs in there and then recording my friends do it. Ho, ho, ho. All right, let's just pile this up. Let's put Sticky right here. Let's carry our Rocky, guys. All right, guys, we're walking upstairs to number 1. Check. Oh, no, wait. I forgot the pen so I can open the plastic. All right, guys, we're back over here. We just got to open these guys in plastic. I'm back in my room. I got these. All right. He just, like, I opened it and they all flung out. And I was like, wait, why no notes? All right, I'll definitely put these with my boxes. I can't wait to do that. But first, let's put these micros. You can see them in the background, right? Yeah, I think you can. Where is Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Aww. Dang it, guys. Guess what? It said on the thing when I was buying it on Amazon, it said never dries out. So it did. Because oh no, I just mixed all them up. Because when I was getting it on when I came back from my friend's house, it was all like thick and like thick. But I think it melted, like it thickened. I don't know what that means. That's weird. All right, where is the thing? Okay. It's gonna take me a while to do this whole thing, so just get the camera off. Guys, the slime is free. You're gonna get to see me put up all the microfigs. Okay, first is Foxy. Next up, Lanky Bot. Next up, Rocky. Next up, Baby Rocky. Next up, Lemonade Thick Shark. Next up, Ghosty plus Thick Shark. Next up, Glowboxy Mini. Glowboxy and Thick Shark. I have like 9 thick sharks. I have like 4 thick sharks, I think. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. All right. Next up, Baby Foxy and Tiger Thick Shark, baby. There we go. And now, best part, Best part. Doo-doo-doo. Well, let's go do it. Yeah, I think we're running out of room for there. I don't even think we have room, so I think I'm just gonna put them on my regular Linky Back shelf. Here's he, and here's all the other ones. I've really been meaning to get Royal Rocky. That seems a pretty cool. But yet. And also, I think there's such thing called Diamond Rocky. So I want to get that too. Guys, it's going to be the end of this video, and I just have to say a few things. Watch more Lanky Box. Open more Lanky Box merch. Get Lanky Box plushies. Get Milky, Boxy, Foxy, Rocky, because he's one of my favorites. Lanky Bot. I don't have Lanky Bot yet, and Sticky and Kitty. Not time to talk about it. Fill your entire shelves with Lanky Box merch. And get the Lanky Box mystery boxes. All of them. You better. Because, like, if you do, yeah, drip. Real skibbity riz drip. So, yeah, get more Lanky Box merch. If you want drip and to be a Roblox guy. Please, 2 Lanky Box.